Okay, screen is shared.
Okay, before we proceed further, can I just request you one thing, please?
Yeah, sure,
Yeah.
definitely.
Can we just do like a little recap of everything, like just, how we do the synopsis, so that I can just put everything together?
I have to revise that.
No, I mean to say like, the first thing is like testing. Then you say like it's types of testing. We have two things, SDLC and SLTP.
Okay, STLC.
Sorry, SDLC. Yeah, SDLC and STLC. So
Hmm,
under SDLC, the software development lifecycle, we have the test scenarios and the test cases, right?
exactly.
Okay. And then we move on to there are only two things we have there, test scenarios and test cases.
Okay,
And then we have the test life cycle. Under test life cycle, we have the types of cases first.
see, under STLC, what are the testing end-to-end documents, how the procedures to execute the validation, this all comes under STLC process. Just a
Okay.
minute.
So we have four types of testing there, like the usability, the functional, the performance, and security. And then we have subheadings for each one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I just wanted to kind of do a little outline kind of a thing. Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so learn perfectly what I send the content to you. I think up to here, the girl is already sent the text to you. Sweetie madam already given the links up to now, isn't it?
Let
Hello,
me check. Let me check. Give me 1 second.
pardon? Yeah, I'll repeat once again. Yeah, okay. You are checking now.
Yeah, she sent me till day 6 actually.
Up to how many days she sent?
Day 6.
Up to day 6. You have to get
Mhm.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes.
Okay. I will tell to her.
Mhm.
So keep on. Okay. Today you can get all the things.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
so today we were gonna do the integration testing.
Yeah. We are under integration process.
Okay.
So we have to focus on. We kept. Okay. We can focus on integration testing, right?
Yes.
So most of the cases, integration testing, it is very good advantage for integration testing with the respect of automation too. Okay? It is an aggressive combination of different builds and tested is called as integration testing. Okay. integration testing. Combining the individual builds and validating according to the functional specifications. Okay, combining the individual builds and validating according to the functional specifications for total designing of the website or web page or whatever it may be without any defects. Without any defects. This is called as integration testing. Means in general, clubbing all builds, and test. It is called as the integration. See, remember first of course, combining all the builds and tests is called as integration testing. But in general, we do individual testing first, and if there is no defects in on the related web page, okay, we check all the remaining web pages individually tested, and the test is all successfully passed. After that, we can combine the build and will be tested once again. Combining all the individual builds and tested is called as nothing but integration testing. Individual builds and tested is called as integrated testing. It is called as integration testing. So this comes under integration process. Okay. Now, how to approach of testing? Suppose we have a application called or an HRM. Okay, I'm logging to the page. So here we have different modules, admin module. So this is a HRM. HRM means human resource management. So we do admin part and leave module specific to the time specification, and in the admin part we have a total system users, how many users, what is the specific employee name and his roles should be analyzed here. Okay, how many employees we have in the organization. Okay, then we go for a leave module. Suppose if the employee wants to take a leave for so and so particular from date to date, what is the status of the leave? That's all should be analyzed through internet concepts. They will not go for hard copy and take a permission for leave, isn't it? The organization, everything should be done with respect of soft process. So this application will be able to provide with a certain leave criteria to a particular employee based on this leave model and the time concerns of the selected employee, how many. I will teach you the domain knowledge part, but at present try to understand all the individual bills. Okay. Yeah, a recruitment means the employee should be hired in the organization. Based on how is it selected or not should be analyzed over here. Okay, these all things will be there, and the information about the particular personal details of a person. Okay, check it out, cross check this application practically, and tomorrow, what is the day tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday, no? Okay, tomorrow is Thursday, right? Okay, So tomorrow you study this, take a screenshot first.
Okay.
Okay, so tomorrow study this, and I will ask what type of testing will be implemented on each and every field. I will ask. So gain the domain knowledge. See,
Um,
I will not.
Seva, I'm sorry actually to interrupt, but your voice has a lot of echo and it's breaking up. I can hardly hear you.
Okay, now it's okay.
A little better.
Okay, so in performance,
No,
uh,
it has a lot of echo.
okay, just a minute. Now it's clear.
Now it's much better. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So in performance, the employee performance, what it is like the required what is core activities is according to his status, that should all comes under in the performance criteria. Performance builder. Okay, and this is a basically dashboard. What exactly it contains of each and every person's activities. Okay, this is overall picture of the employee and directory, and then finally we go for the maintenance part. So please study this and understand each and every builder. First, you go for this application and type admin revert password is there and log into the particular build and focus on each and every scenario. Okay, whether the page is properly navigating or not should be analyzed. Based on the, see, this is a list object. We have so many options here: skills, education, licenses, languages, memberships. And in organization part, we have these three features. In job, there are the different types of shifts, job categories, employment status, pay grades, job. Please understand every each and every content of this build and try to enhance the build and gather you have to design your own specifications, FRS specifications based on that test, generate the scenario and generate the test and compare with expected and actual behavior and commit to me. I will give 2 days time to analyze this application first. Then I'm not focusing on defects, how to generate the defects. Of course, if the application doesn't satisfy the expected behavior, then you can find out the defect. Just to keep the defect like that only. Okay, but focus on preparation of scenarios, cases, everything according to the each and every build. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you're getting what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay, see, this is total. When we click on admin, it is navigating to this admin user management page. Okay, so this is one sort of a one build and check it out whether this build is properly functioning or not, whether it is deleting or not, should be analyzed properly. Okay, first create the user, then delete the user. Don't delete another users. First, you create the user. You have to create the user, select the user role, employee name, and the status. And whether the build is properly in the system, it is available or not, should be searched by this. Otherwise, add it. If it is not available, add it, generate it, create the employee name, and delete them. Delete when you select the employee, it should be deleted. And you click on this button. So whatever I'm giving the each and every navigation, you have to focus on that particular flow. Then only you can be able to be understand the thorough knowledge of an individual web page. After that, you can migrate to the next. Sorry. After that, you can go to the next web page or nothing but a build. Okay, trying to understand this all the concept. This is called as integration testing. First, you do admin. See, imagine in general scenario what happens if you want to do integration testing. Suppose developers doubting. Suppose we have 12 members, and the test team only have 7 members. So how many builds will come to tester to test the product? Of course, 14 builds you have. Developers are 14 members, and the builds will be done by the developer 14 builds. By the developers are 40 members and the builds are 14. For each and every developer consists of one build to be developed. After that, it goes back to testing, but the testers has only 7 members. How many builds come for testing or functional validation?
You said there are total 14 builds and 7 testers.
Yeah,
Each will have to do two.
very good. Each can get
Two,
two
two
for
builds.
functional validation, right?
Mhm.
Okay, now consider it first. Each person will capture the two builds and they will test it and found some defects, and it is rectified by the each and every builder. Okay, then after next what we have to do, we have to go for integrate the
All 14
build.
together.
Yeah, all of four modules will be should be integrated. Again, after combining by the developer, that will be again retested. Again retested. Why?
To make
See,
sure like all work together.
exactly. We do a functional validation on individual build, but after clubbing the builds, again, what is the purpose of testing once again?
That they are working in coordination with each other. It's not like one breaks the other or the functioning of one build affects the other builds. So everything
Very
has
good.
to work together to make the system function.
Exactly. You see, I said about task flow, no? This is actual phenomenon in FRS specification. Task flow and use cases comes in the picture here for integration. Well, this is there in the FRS specification, right? Page elements, input validation, overview, task flow diagram, use cases, that will be there. So these things will come under integrate part. In the integrate builds, we go for task flow and use case functionalities. Okay,
Right.
here, how the integration takes place. Suppose now, I'm generally saying I'm taking a small application. I'm not focusing on this build. Or in setup, you have to study and you have to do it. Okay?
Yes.
Hello? Okay. Now I am saying on Gmail application. Suppose Gmail app, you know very well about Gmail, no? That's why I'm taking a Gmail application. What are the modules? It consists of login, inbox, okay, compose, send, trash, spam, draft. Okay, majorly these are the builds, right? Individual builds. Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Major we have individual builds like this only. So now I'm testing the login build individually. What basically it contains user ID, password, okay, user ID, password, then login or submit button, okay, submit, next, forget link, Next, register link. Okay, so many options we have in a login bill, right? We do testing on this bill. Now, how can you do testing? If the data consists of multiple users, we have multiple users in this scenario. How can you perform testing? It's a general question. Okay, you know this all these imagine these fields are available in the login bill. The login bill consists of multiple users. Imagine we have 10 users, 10 credentials. Means 10 credentials. 10 credentials. Okay, in these 10 credentials, how to test it? Any guessings?
So it's gonna be like the load testing that we talked about yesterday
Yeah, we do load testing.
because
Okay,
it's multiple users.
yeah, okay, I agree about that. So, in user ID, what happens? Suppose I give them, see, these 10 credentials for user ID, maximum it contains string value, like number, number or might be a alphabet. But password should be, see these are all conditions. It should be at least, I'm saying about extra data, okay, at least two alpha, two special characters, two special characters, alphanumeric, alphanumeric. Okay, see how, see when you want to give a strong password, you have to follow these things. Okay, special characters, alphanumeric. Then what we have should not start with number. Okay, these are all conditions. Not
Right.
start with number. And next, at least one uppercase, and then one lowercase for valid credentials. So this is the data based on this data. This is only for one particular password value, isn't it? This condition is only for particular password value. Of course, user ID is string. String is, it might be a number, it might be alphabet, or it might be a number or what it may be. But password is very important. It should be encrypted code as well as the data should be in the format of this thing. Then and there you can insert the password value. But I have 10 credentials. Then how can you test it? 10.
Say that again.
How can
Can
you
you
test it?
repeat? Can you repeat that one more time?
See, in login build, I have
Mhm,
user ID, password, submit, forget link, forget password link,
mhm,
register. Okay, but these are the imagine only these five objects are available in this login build. This login will consist of 10 credentials. Okay, 10
mhm.
valid credentials. Now, I'm giving the input for user ID. It is the test data will be string format. String format means it might be a number or it might be an alphabet. But password should be, this is the condition for password. At least two special characters, it should be alphanumeric, Should not start with number, at least one uppercase, at least one lowercase. This is the condition. Based on this condition, you have to test the password field, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the test condition. Now, I given 10 credentials, valid credentials. How, where you can store the data from, how can you test the application? How can you test the web page?
So each tester will have like for different passwords
Different,
with unique passwords. They are going to check with different combinations.
okay, different combination will check. But first, you have to store the data, no? You have to dump the data into Excel sheet or flat files like a notepad or like it might comes from database or it might be comes from CSV file, nothing but Excel only. Okay. Now, how how to prepare the data? User ID, and I'm not saying the design techniques. Please look after design techniques later part. Now I am giving the data here. This okay. Giving valid user ID and valid password. Okay. Suppose I have this data like this. Okay. Now I given the data. Imagine I have one, two, three, four credentials. What I will do, I will insert a user ID field and password field with respect to Guruschools, and I will provide a result over here. Result. When we insert a Guruschools, your test will be first.
Mm-hmm.
All valid, no, no. If all are valid means all the data will be passed. But what is our goal? We have to do positive testing, negative testing, and end users point of view also we should be look after that all the business requirements are covering or not should be analyzed. These are the major fundamental things in functional validation. So coming to integrated testing, this is applicable for only single data. Single page, sorry, not single data, single page, login page. Similarly, you go for inbox, then send, trash. Individually, we do testing first, then finally we can merge it. See, individually we do testing and find the defects, rectify the defects. Whatever you do like retesting or regression testing or compatible testing, whatever it may be. Then finally, all the modules will be merged together, and again we do all the types of testings. That's why. That's why if you want to test, if you want to test normal project, you can have minimum 7 to 8 months. It will be express for manual process. Okay, that's why most of the cases the testers are all the clients are organized people are migrating to tools, the tools. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
likewise we do integrate testing. Up to now, is there any doubt for you?
Yes.
It's clear or you have any doubt?
No, it's clear.
It's clear?
Yes.
Okay. So likewise, we have to do the functional validation. So the scenario is for the integration testing is that is the concept. Where I kept yesterday, I wrote some content, I have to say those things. Okay, fine. Yeah, this is nothing but individual builder testing. After that, we will merge together and we will do integration finally. Okay. So now I will focus on retesting and regression testing. So
Your
this is
voice is not
automation
your voice is
Eclipse.
not that clear today. I don't know what's wrong with your system, but
Voice,
yeah,
voices,
your
what,
voice either starts getting an echo or it starts breaking up.
yeah, why it's happening like
Yeah,
that?
something is wrong with the voice part.
Now it's clear.
No, it's a lot of echo in the back, like screeching noise, you know?
Okay.
Mhm.
Now it's clear.
No, Siva, I don't know what's going on today, but your voice is either breaking up or it's not that clear. Like generally every day it's very clear.
Just a minute. Now it's clear.
Yeah, a little better.
Okay. So first is gain the domain knowledge of this application. Okay. This is very important for you. Okay. If you want to do, see, generally testers at the starting point of the persons cannot able to do the industry. Suppose if there is an opportunity to do integration testing, it is takes some time taking for integration testing, and experienced people only will do integration testing, not small normal testers. Did you agree? Hello.
Yeah, Shiva, I don't know. Something is wrong with the voice. Do you want to do like join again and see if it works?
Repeat once again. Hello. Now it's clear.
Yeah, now it's better. Yeah.
Okay. So, likewise, we do integration testing. Here, it's clear now. So, always we have to keep the data in an Excel sheet. Suppose if you have 10 records, then it is possible to do testing normally. Suppose if it contains bulk data, bulk data, then how it is possible to do testing? Can we do manually? Yeah. Are you there?
Yes, Shiva, I'm there, but
Is
I
it
don't
clear?
know.
Voice is clear?
As I said, your voice keeps breaking, you know? It's like a lot of background noise today. I can
So,
hear half the things and I can hear half the things.
so we do one thing. Tomorrow
Mm.
we'll connect. Otherwise. Okay.
It's like your voice is generally very clear, but I don't know what's going on today. If you hear the recording, you will see like it's a lot of noise. The voice keeps fading out.
Okay, that's why I'm saying I will connect tomorrow with
Okay,
another link.
okay,
Sorry,
okay,
with respect of Wi-Fi, another Wi-Fi. So we will connect
okay,
and we will have a session. Okay, no?
okay, right. Okay,
Uh,
right.
tomorrow at 9 o'clock, right?
Okay,
9,
yes, time, yes.
9 o'clock. Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
yeah. Thank you. Have a nice time. Take care.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Bye.